Hi, and thanks for joining me on my thrift search. I'm going to a Goodwill that I don't get to go to too often. I have business on the other side of town, and so I know there's a Goodwill like in the hood somewhere where people don't normally go to. And I think all Goodwills, thrift stores have good finds, and I would not miss opportunity to go buy one. If I'm near one, I'm going to go in. Um, the good thing about me just kind of doing this thrift search is that I'm not desperate. Like, I have something in the garage to work on. I have something on my porch covered with a drop cloth to work on. I have something in the basement to work on. So I'm not desperate, which is so good. So I get to be particular and something like that. I think what I'm looking for is either end tables or a dresser. Nothing big, nothing that's going to be a ton of work. And I was so happy to see another video with people doing their thrift searches. So I was able to learn a lot because I have picked some really bad stuff in the past, and I just try to be careful now when I pick something, because I think in the past I was a little desperate and I didn't have anything. So even if you have something to work on, you always should just keep looking for opportunities. There's a website, I don't know if it's everywhere, it's called Trash Nothing. And people are getting rid of so many good things. And I have someone's house I'm going back to. We have a good rapport, and she has more stuff she want to give me. And I'm like, yes, I'll take it. And I have a gorgeous secretary desk that needs nothing done to it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm just holding on to it for now because it's just gorgeous. I'm going to keep that. And then I just got a very heavy, sturdy dresser that I need to figure out what type of wood is it. So I think I'm just going to post it just the way it is. It just looks so nice, and it's so heavy, and I kind of threw my back out, trying to move it around with a friend. And so I think I might just try to sell that because it's such good wood. It's perfect. So, but today I want to enjoy myself, go look at some things and see what they have, because I'm just so, I don't know, hooked on thrifting. Just hooked on it. So just come along. Okay, so I'm at a location at one of my favorite Goodwills. It's on 50th and Parkside in Philadelphia. And I just kind of think it's a hidden gem because you'll find good stuff in here. So I always grab a cart. Never know what I got to put in there. I am aiming for end tables. Okay, I'm in the furniture section. Went straight to it. It's always a little messy, but I just kind of just look through and dig through. I see that's not wood, and I see this one is wood, but it's painted over, and it's not like top quality wood. It's very, very, very lightweight, so that's a lot of work. Not really worth it for me. And then I see these cute little end tables, and the price is really, really good. And they're kind of small, and I'm like, I could take those home. Um, I can't beat that price. And I looked at them later, but I realized they are laminate, and so I really wanted wood, so I have the best chance of making them to something I like. And this thing, I just was looking at it. It just was interesting. I knew I was going to get that. But the buffet behind it it was beautiful. But, of course, it's really big. And honestly, I came there for something small, more like end tables, something simple. Because my back was still hurting. I didn't want to carry anything too heavy. And those are queen and end tables, but they were like $34 a piece. So I'm basically getting close to the end of this little section, and I didn't see anything that was worth stopping for until I saw this coffee table. But it had too many problems, and I don't think they're going to really make a lot of money And I wanted a chance to show some wood, and it just didn't look like I'd be able to do that with this coffee table. It wasn't dead today, but honestly, about half the time I go to Goodwill, it's usually not good. Which that's just how it is. The good stuff could have been taken, or just people weren't bringing anything in, and that's why I don't always rely on Goodwill. You go on Facebook Marketplace, you check out the furniture that's local in your area. Um, Look at the free stuff. There's so many free things. Ooh, blow your mind. But those you have to get there soon. Even if it's not free, if it's something that's just really nice, people want you to come and get it. Stop talking about it, come and get it. So, Facebook Marketplace, the app called Trash Nothing, if it's local in your area, just look up the furniture section part of it. And yeah, thrifting at Goodwill is good because you're there in person. You get to see stuff up front. But also, if the next door app is something that is, I don't know if it's national or at all, but I find some good stuff on there. They even have a free tab too if you want to look at the free furniture. But that's pretty good. It's way better than places like Offer Up and stuff like that, who ask for maybe top dollar for furniture. So I think that is everything that I use. Craigslist, I'm sorry. Yes, Craigslist. Definitely do Craigslist, because you can find some good deals there also. But to be honest, Craigslist has been outdone by like Facebook Marketplace. I mean, I can buy things on it. I get free stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's like number one for me at the moment. But number two is the Nextdoor app for getting like free things or low cost furniture, free furniture, and for selling too. I've been selling on Nextdoor app too. So I think you should have more than one place to sell your things also. But thrifting is fun, especially when you don't need anything. When I was looking for stuff for staging a little while ago, I just needed more staging things, and I just needed to not grab a bunch of things for all around my house to stage. I wanted to just have things on hand just to stage different stuff, and without desperately trying to combine stuff from my guest room and my room and shelf. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I did get staging pieces, little cute things to stage with, which is so important. Thanks for watching. Please like and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you soon.